What Voyager detected at the edge of the solar system that shocks NASA? One of the most shocking discoveries by the Voyager probes at the edge of the solar system was an unexpected wall of fire, a layer of superheated plasma with a temperature of approximately 50,000 Kelvin. This region, detected at the heliopause where the sun's solar wind meets interstellar space, was much hotter and denser than scientists had predicted. Scientists expected a gradual, calm transition into interstellar space. But Voyager 1 found an abrupt, turbulent boundary at the heliopause. The probes measured particle energies that corresponded to temperatures as high as 50,000 K. While this sounds like intense heat, the wall is not a physical flame, but a region of very sparse, charged particles plasma, moving near the speed of light. The particles are too spread out to pose a threat to the spacecraft. Measurements showed a significant increase in plasma density just outside the heliopause, further suggesting that the interstellar medium was compressing the sun's heliosphere. Both Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 detected that the magnetic field lines, just outside the heliosphere, were oriented nearly parallel to the magnetic field lines within it. This was surprising because theoretical models assumed the magnetic field orientation would change in a region dominated by magnetic fields from other stars. Voyager 1's initial finding was so unexpected that NASA waited for Voyager 2 to cross the boundary years later to confirm the results. A squashed heliosphere. Voyager 1 and 2 crossed the termination, shocked the first of the two boundaries before the heliopause at different distances, indicating that the heliosphere is not a perfect sphere. This suggests a squashed shape. It's possibly influenced by the interstellar magnetic field pushing inward more strongly from the south. A changing, leaking bubble. The probes found the heliosphere's boundary is not static. It is a constantly shifting, leaking boundary distorted by huge, sun-driven tsunami waves and pressure fronts that travel into interstellar space. Before crossing the heliopause, Voyager 1 passed through a transitional magnetic highway, region where magnetic field lines from the sun and interstellar space were connected. This allowed particles from outside the heliosphere to leak in, and particles from the sun to leak out. The Voyager data forced scientists to completely rethink their assumptions about what the boundary of the solar system looked like. Instead of a predictable, serene edge, the probes found a turbulent, dynamic, and complex frontier. The probes' measurements, particularly the dramatic increase in plasma density and the alignment of magnetic fields, provided the first direct insight to measurements of the local interstellar medium. This was invaluable for understanding our place in the galaxy. While models had long theorized a boundary between the solar wind and interstellar medium, the heliopause, Voyager's crossing confirmed that this boundary is a distinct, sharp separation rather than a gradual decline. Please subscribe for more space wonders, and thanks for watching.